Hello, sir, and thank you so much for giving the chance to present our project to you. We'll give you a brief description of our website and our coding, and we'll keep it as short as we can, between 10 to 15 minutes, since we do have a lot of code, so it can be way over 20, 30 minutes if we go ahead and give you full details. So our team consists had four members before, myself, Shaik, Noah, Enes, and Zara. Unfortunately, due to medical circumstances, Noah is no longer part of this group. So it's only three members right now: Enes, myself, Shaik, and Zara. So let's give you a brief description of our topic and our project. So as you can see, the name is Sense Electronic. It is an e-commerce website. The reason why we choose this topic is because it is very important to learn in order to advance in our career, because every business must have an e-commerce website in order to sustain the competition with other companies. Without e-commerce, businesses will lose a lot of customers. So this is our main page. As you can see, we have our navigation bar, and we have our footer around here. We have the contact section, useful section, product section with the links and the company's name. We also have some social media icons right here. So if, let's say, we go ahead and browse the website without having an account, you can browse through the website, no problem. You can go through here, categories, whichever you want. You can, but if you try to add anything on the account and on the cart, it will not work. It will ask you to go log into your account. So let's give you a demonstration of our database. So here, let's see here. So this is our database, and I'm gonna pull all the database. Sorry, users. As you can see, we have all those users that we have created for testing our website. Now I'll go ahead and create an account under the name of Donny Winfred, and you can see there's no such account right now here. So register here. We have to provide an email. Put Donny at yahoo.com. Password 123456 123456. First name is Danny, last name is Winfred. We'll give an address, Canada, and the phone number, and register. Now we go back. Now you see it's not there because I have not sent the query again. So let's send it again. There you go. You see a database under the name of Danny has been created, and the password, it has been, we used a hash function to hide the password for, so that way it provides a protection to the customers. We'll speak more about that a bit later on. So let's log in. So Denny at yahoo.com. Password is 123456. Enter. So there you go. You have the message for the user. In this case, it's Denny. Let's say Denny would like to purchase an item. So here, there's two items that are already there that we picked before. So we're gonna go ahead and remove them. So here, let's say we choose this one, add to item, this one, add to item, add to cart, sorry. Here you can see a message that shows two items in the cart. So if we click there, you wanna go ahead and proceed with the checkout, click on that. Your total amount is $1,900. And we used a payment method for the payment method, we use Insta module temporary. We did not get any time to implement the Stripe payment service, but hopefully in the future we'll apply this to our project. If you click on pay, it should bring you to the payment page. Unfortunately, we don't have that yet. So this is our website. Now let's say you want to remove an item, you can remove it right away. Go there again, proceed to checkout, your balance is changed. Now go ahead and remove this item too also, and now you have nothing on the cart. Let's say Danny would like to sign out. Right now, you go click here and you can sign out right here. There you go. We can let's log back in again. The name here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There you go. See, we have all the we're logged back here again for Denny under Denny's name. Sorry. Um, and now I'll give you a brief demonstration of our coding because we're already at 5 minutes. So here we have all our pages and files. So as you can see, we have the CSS files here. We have the images. We have the validator here for password using JavaScript, of course. And we have the HTML templates. And we have the database Python file, and we have the main Python file where all our routings are there. So as you can see, we have many different routings. It's going to be a long to go through all the routing, but we have routing for, let's say, example here. See, for the home page, we have routing for fetching the user detail once they're logged in, uh, a function for adding item, removing items, etc. For editing the profile of the user, changing password. If you go even lower, we have many different routing. As you can see, for product description, for adding item, a function to add items to cart, um, for checkout, and etc. Here we have the database. We have tables, user, products, and cart. And these are the attributes that we use to create a database. This is our base HTML. This is our cart HTML. All of this, pretty much all of these HTML templates has been extended from our base HTML, and each of them have their own content for their own page. Now, here we have the registration form. Here we have the profile form. Uh, Here we have the description content, HTML content. We have the login content here. We have the Insta Mojo, homepage content, edit profile content, display category, checkout, change password, cart, and obviously base. Here we have the folder with all our images. Here's the validators for password. We used JavaScript function in order to validate the password. So that way the user gets the access. And we have all the CSS here. As you can see, product description CSS, top style CSS, home CSS, and cart CSS. So this is our website, and this is also our coding. Here, of course, you can go ahead and sign out and sign in whenever you want without any problem. There are flaws on our website, on our coding, I would say, more likely. As you can see, this is one of the flaws that we have. Once you click on an item, um, this image in this section is very small. We have tried several different coding and several different methods in order to make this image larger, but unfortunately we're not successful. But we're very positive that in the future, when we have more time, we will be able to we'll be able to fix this issue and make this website even better. And we'll most likely we'll also be implementing the Stripe payment method for our website. So this is pretty much it, sir. We'll be sending you the file, and I'll send you the link for the recording either from the YouTube through YouTube, or I'll see if I can send you the whole OBS studio file. That way you can open it directly in your computer instead of going to any website. So this is our presentation, and thank you so much, sir, for giving us all those knowledge that you have in Python and HTML and Pycharm in creating routing. It was an amazing experience that we had, uh, and having you as a teacher have given us a lot of experience. We hope to talk to you again in the future, and I hope to see you again in the future, of course. And on behalf of my team, myself, Shaek, Enes, Zahra, and of course Noah, he's been part of this team also from the beginning. Would like to thank you so much for everything, and I hope you really liked our presentation. And please give us a feedback and any comment on anything that we can improve and how we can improve it. And thank you so much, sir, and have yourself a wonderful rest of the year.